Hey gang, Dr. M here. This semester I'm going to be wanting you to use OneNote a good bit. And so I wanted to show you real quickly how to get stuff into OneNote. So a quick tutorial on that. So for instance, let's say I want you to put your bibliography in here. So there's a page there already for bibliography, and over here I have a bibliography. Now this is not the same kind of bibliography that you're going to be doing, but it'll work for our purposes. All I need to do is drag it over, let go. There's two ways to put a file in. You can attach it, which is what I'm going to do here. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to drag it over again, and this time I'm going to insert the printout. Now it wants to open up Word and convert it to a PDF, and then it will paste it in. And so there it is. I'll want you guys to put things in both ways, okay, so that someone can access the file and that someone can actually read it without having to access the file. Okay, so that's your bibliography. Now for my references, I'm going to add a page, and my first reference I'm going to put in is going to be this one down here, Whitaker plus Likens Productivity, and so I'm going to name it Whittaker Likens, and it's from 1973. Whoops, 1973. And all I do is grab it, drag it over, and again, attach it, grab it, drag it over, insert the printout. And there it is. Okay, so that's one file. And then if I come up here, I can right click, I can make it a sub page, looks a little bit better. I want to add a page, and this one is going to be Mueller, 1879. Okay, and I come over here to get Mueller, drag it over, attach file, and then drag it over again, insert printout. So we got the best of both worlds. And again, right click and make it a sub page. Okay, now you notice that first one, I brought the bibliography and I brought it directly in from Word, but you could bring it in again as a PDF. So another thing that we're going to have you doing is bringing in PowerPoints. Now I'm also going to have you put the PowerPoints in two places. You're going to put them in here so that I and your supervisors can see them, but I'm also going to have you put them on OneDrive before the talk, so we don't have to be emailing them and stuff when we go to do it. So all I have to do for this is find a PowerPoint that I want to bring in here. Let's go back to ecology. Let's go to lectures, and some of these are huge, so I don't want to do that. Let me go to there. Oops, come on back. Okay, well, let me just do one of these. Let me try this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it over here, and this is what it suggests that you do, because it's going to be a big file. Okay, for the PowerPoints, all you need to do is insert the printout. And in that case now, it's going to take a couple minutes because it's going to have to go through there and it's going to convert it into a PDF format. But there it is. Those are all the different things. Actually, I think it's converting it to JPEGs. And there is your PowerPoint. And then your supervisor could go in and put notes and stuff on it and do some additional things. But also, there's going to be a place in here where I'm going to set up things so that you can put things in along with other people in the class. So going back to this, if I go to, here's the front end, and this is where I was just at. You'll have a tab over here that has your name on it. There's also a collaboration space, And anything that goes into here is going to be stuff that everybody in the class can see. That other spot is just for you and for your supervisor and for me. So I could add a page in here if I wanted you to be able to give feedback or something to other students, and that's where you would put that stuff. So again, if we go back to the main thing, here is where you put the stuff that's more or less private, and in the collaboration space, you're going to be submitting some things there like your resume, for instance. We'll talk more about that in class. So that's it. Hope that helps you out.